YouTube. Today's episode I'm going to show you how to reset the light on a Honda Accord or Odyssey. This is for a 1999 all the way to 2004. Very easy, just a maintenance required light. What you're going to do is you're going to turn the car off, and now you're going to press and hold the select reset button. So you're going to press and hold, and then you're going to turn the key into the on position. You're going to count to 10 seconds, and you're going to turn back and then turn on the car. I can't really press and turn the key at the same time. Let me see if I can. No, I can't. Well, give me 1 second. Let me try and do this. Hold on. Okay. So now we're going to, sorry for that. Now we're going to wait for 10 seconds. Count that real quick, or just look at my watch. Let's see. Focus 32, 33, 34, 35. Just give it those 10 seconds. Just give it a second. And that should do. Release the button. Turn back the key. And now turn on the car. And as you can see, light's not there anymore. Hopefully this video helped you guys. It's annoying if you don't know how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care.